Enoki mushrooms hold a special place in Japanese cuisine. I, Chef Ravi Savant, will be trying my hands on these lovely mushrooms today on Knife and Camera. These are the mushrooms which I bought from Bangalore. They are lovely and still fresh. I have soaked them in chilled water just to make them fresher. This is the recipe which I will be cooking. This is super spicy ikoni mushrooms with Thai grilled chicken. It's a lovely and simple to cook recipe. These are the packet of mushrooms which I bought. This cost about 4,000 rupees kg in India. This is some celery. They are fresh leeks and celery, and I would be using lot of bok choy today. This would give a special flavor to my recipe. 2 hard-boiled eggs and some dried red chilies just to add that hotness. Roughly about 400 grams of boneless chicken, usually thigh pieces. And this is apple cider vinegar. This is Maggi super seasoning. This is oyster sauce, and this is chili oregano sauce. Most of the things are these, and I would be using yellow chili paste. So let's try. First thing first, let's chop our vegetables. Here goes under the knife my bok choy. Bok choy has a lovely crunchiness and feels and tastes really good. Celery has a lovely flavors and has a very contrast flavor to bok choy. This would be giving a special aromas to my recipe, so I love using them. And these are leeks. Who can forget leeks? They have a strange oniony flavor. Just bang the stalks so that it can cook very well, and just chop them finely. Most of the mise en place for my vegetable is done. These are hard-boiled eggs. Just slice 2 hard-boiled eggs into 2 halves. You can even use 3 as per your requirements. Next goes under the knife are dried red chilies. These are Indian dried red chilies, and they are actually very hot. So most of the preparation is done and we are good to go straight to the cooking. This is yellow curry paste. Just remove the packet so that we can unbox our yellow curry paste. Keep it aside for some time and place the chicken in the bowl. This chicken is usually a thigh pieces of a chicken. You can even use breast. Breast is more fibrous and less juicy, so I avoided it. Here goes my yellow curry paste. You can even make a fresh curry paste, but I didn't have the ingredients, so I am using the packet one. They are easily available in superstores these days. You can just simply grab one and use it. This is apple cider vinegar. You can use any other vinegar if you like. I like the flavors of apple cider vinegar, so I am using it. This is Maggi super seasoning. You can use any other Maggi seasoning. Super seasonings are available, abundant in the market these days. This is what I had, so I am using it. This is oyster sauce. I really wanted to have that oystery flavor in my recipe, so I am using it. If you are unwilling to use it, you can avoid. This is coconut powder. Flavors of coconut blend really well with this recipe. Now is the chance to mix it. Mix the ingredients very well and keep them aside at least for 2 hours. I had less of time, so I am just straight away jumping in my cooking. Grab a skewer and arrange the pieces of chicken on the skewer. You can use even a satay stick if you want. My grill pan is hot. Oil over it. Spread the oil. And we are good to go with our grilling of chicken. But before that, what we will be doing, checking the temperature of my grill pan and adding some bok choy, leeks and celery over the pan. This would impart very good flavors to my chicken and avoid accidental burning of my chicken pieces, which I really don't want. I really don't want the color of my chicken much. Place some dried red chilies over it, keep on turning time to time, and more or less we are good to go. And just place your boiled eggs for grilling. Again some dashes of red chilies over it, and this is oregano chili sauce. Just pour in some sauce over the eggs and over the chicken. This would really fire up your chicken. Be careful, it's really hot. And a handful of chopped garlic. This would give a really punch to your recipe. This is Tabasco sauce. Pour in some Tabasco sauce for that extra punch. And here goes our mushrooms. Lovely looking mushrooms. They would be cooked over a grill pan with the stream of chicken, and just sprinkle some sauce over it and we are good to go. And last goes my French mustard sauce. This is the secret behind this recipe. Don't avoid it. This would give a lovely flavorings to your recipe. Just turn your mushrooms once. Place in some more leeks and celery. Keep on turning all the ingredients till they are cooked. If you like the recipe, do subscribe my channel. My name is Chef Ravi Savant and I am from India. I keep on cooking such recipes. Finally, after some time, we will be serving this recipe and we will be serving on the same grill pan in which it was cooked. The sizzle of the pan, the aroma of the recipe will intoxicate you. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the recipe. Thanks a lot.